This is a tutorial on how to insert citations for an APA-style paper. For APA-style papers, you list all of your sources on a references page. But in addition, you must insert a citation within the body of the paper every time you use information from one of your sources, whether you are paraphrasing or directly quoting. The style of the citation is called a parenthetical citation, where the citation information is enclosed within parentheses. That citation should be at the end of the sentence where you use the information and included within the sentence so that the final period is after the parenthetical citation. The information that you need within your citation is the author's last name and the year of publication. If you are directly quoting the material, you would also need a page number, if it's known, or if you're not sure of the page number or it's not listed, then you would need to find out the specific paragraph number. If you have more than one author, then you would join the, if you had two authors, you would join the two authors, listing both of them, joining them with an ampersand. If you have 3 to 5 authors, you would list all of the authors the first time, and then in subsequent citations for the same source, you would use the abbreviation et al. So the first time you would list all 3 to 5 authors. Subsequent citations, you would use et al. Notice that there is a period after al, no period after et, and again you do use the comma to separate the authors from the year. If you have 6 or more authors, then as we do in this citation and this citation, then you would simply list the first author and use the et al. Even with the very first citation. If you have a source that does not have listed authors, then you will use the title. But you will not use the full title if it's lengthy. You will only use the first 2 to 3 words. And the style that you should follow is to capitalize all important words in the title and include it within direct quotation marks or quotation marks. Notice that the comma separating the title from the date should be inside that final quotation mark. So in this paper you can see a piece of information used from the More Than 50,000 article. So that is cited using the title and the year. You can see here a Fullerton reference for information used from that article. Another one here from Fullerton, another Fullerton. These are all paraphrased so that there was no need to include a page number or a paragraph number. Reference to the Vanderplashen article, etc. So, if you have 4 sources on your references page, you must have a citation for each of those, because sources you list on your references page must be ones you actually used in the paper. And of course, you may very well have multiple citations for a given source, because anytime you use information from that source, you need to provide a parenthetical citation. Hopefully this will be helpful as you work on finalizing your paper for submission.